Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've got the project open, so start by selecting the sequence you want to change. Go to Sequence Settings and enter the exact frame size you need, for example 1920 x 1080. You're changing the canvas the clips live in, which affects scale and cropping, so pick a size that matches your delivery target. Once done, make sure pixel aspect ratio matches your footage. Mismatches will distort images. If you used a preset, confirm it aligns with your intended resolution and frame rate. Now adjust individual clips to match the new frame size. Select a clip, open Effect Controls, and use Motion Scale and Position to fit or fill the frame. Fit leaves black bars, fill crops edges. You want consistent uniform scale unless you intentionally stretch. For precise control, type numeric scale or position values. For animated changes, add keyframes. Because changing the sequence size doesn't auto-rescale everything, make sure each clip is visually correct and check for edge cropping or letterboxing across the timeline. Finish by exporting with File Export Media and confirm the output settings match your sequence frame size so the delivered file isn't rescaled. If you see quality loss, enable render at maximum depth or change source scaling to preserve details. Make sure your export codec supports the resolution. If things look wrong, a quick fix is to reset clip scale to 100% or right-click the clip and choose Set to Frame Size to auto-fit without manual math. If persistent, check sequence settings again for mismatched aspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.